My dog is telling you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Woof. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So this is an updated tutorial today to show you how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working right now in 2026, requires no PC and no Discord. So literally this uses an Animal Company promo code that you can redeem into the computer in Animal Company. So you redeem it in the promo code part of the computer and it is going to give you a secret mod menu. So this is like a developer mod menu already built in. So this is no third-party install or anything like that. This is literally going to get you a secret mod in Animal Company. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. I think about 96% of my viewers are not subscribed, so yeah, that would go a long way in helping me build this YouTube channel. But basically guys, what you're going to want to do to get mods in Animal Company is just use your mobile phone internet browser. So you can see I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. I've actually been searching on Google and watched other YouTube tutorials, and I finally managed to find the easiest method to get mods in Animal Company. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. Like I said, this is no PC, so do this on your mobile phone. Make sure you type it correctly, Crash Coupons. So yep, type it in just like this, and what it's going to do guys is going to bring you to a game code website. Now they don't only have Animal Company codes, as you can see they have loads of different game codes guys. So I do recommend you just speed up finding the Animal Company promo codes page by using the search bar at the top and just typing in Animal Company, and this is the promo codes page you need to find. So navigate to this page on whatever mobile phone you have and scroll down and select the Animal Company mod menu code. Get the mod menu for free in Animal Company. I did this morning guys, and this entire process takes about 5 minutes, and the best part is, like I said, this is just going to get an already built-in developer mod menu, so this is no third-party application or anything like that. You just need to unlock your Animal Company promo code. Obviously these are limited, there's 770 codes remaining, so what you need to do is get your personal code, and you can only do this once. So click on this button and you just got to follow the instructions on this page to basically get your code unlocked. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and you need to make sure you do follow the instructions. So basically you're going to have a list of tasks on this page. Think of these as like little quests, but they're completely free. They only take a few minutes. There are things like installing certain mobile applications, playing mobile games until certain levels. You can even do like free surveys. Doesn't matter which ones you choose, the ones at the top tend to be the easiest. You just need to choose 2 of them, and as I said, make sure you do read the description because that tells you how to complete the task. Once you do 2 of those, it's going to send you back to this page on Crash Coupons, and your Animal Company promo code will be fully displayed. So obviously I've skipped forward, like I said, I've already done it, and it does limit 1 code per person, but basically your code for your mods will be unlocked and you go ahead and redeem it in Animal Company. And that is how to get mods in Animal Company in 2026 with no PC. So you just use your mobile phone. Go to Crash Coupons, navigate your way to the Animal Company promo code. It is very important you just unlock your code guys for the mod menu. So yeah, enjoy, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.